Hey, what's up, y'all? About to eat another Taco Bell. 2 tacos this time. Because I went through that last one so quick. I wanted to see how quick I could eat these two. How is everybody? Hope you all are having a great day. Come on. Yeah! Sorry. I'm going Hulk on the bag. I'm going Hulk on the bag. What did I get? What did I get? 2 tacos. Oh, yeah. And 2 Diablos. All right. See if I can get some belches out of this. Like this. Let's put the sauce on. Like this. Get the sauce on. Yeah, buddy. And then sauce on the other one. Yeah. This one's cracked. I gotta eat this one first. Of course, I cracked my taco. Look at that. I cracked my taco. How crappy is that? Oh well. At least they made it fresh, right? It better be fresh. Yeah. Better be. That was really good. Whoa. That's a spicy taco. Because of the Diablo. No introduction needed. That's what it says. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ah. Oh yeah. Let's get some sparkling water in this beer. In this being. B for being. Man, my lips are burning, dude. I have never eaten a taco that fast. Yeah. Well, what else should I do? Oh man, I got stuck. Stuck. Yeah. Oh yeah. To the margarita. Yeah. To the margarita. To the margarita. Yeah. freaking drool, man. Those tacos make you drool, man. They'll make you drool. This is the same as yesterday. Grape raspberry. I got plenty of these. What? Stupid drool. Salivation. Got that saliva. Yeah, the hot saliva. Yeah. Got that hot saliva. What else you want? What else you want? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Infinite belch. I'm in with it well. With an infinite belch. I'm in it well, doing it well. Yeah, you can go to hell if you don't like my video, and I'm gonna spit to you what I really do is not written, dude. It's spitting. Yeah. Where? Yeah. Why do I have a garbage on me? On my lap? Why do I have a garbage on my lap? I keep drooling, man. I'm drilling for you. I'm drilling for you. Psych. I'm drilling for all y'all. It's all for you. Throw this at you. Yeah. Let's not do that. All right, well, just so you guys know, nature's calling. One moment. How fast is that? Oh, yeah. Ah! Want some apple juice? Yeah. I'm going to the bathroom now. Should I? No, I'm not. That was less than 20 seconds, dude. I ain't drinking my piss, man. Shut the heck up, man. Took me less than 20 seconds to fill that cup. Someone challenged me to do that. Anyway, hope y'all have a good day. Everything's all good. And, yeah. I just got home from work not too long ago. I'm probably going to get some eggs. Go to sleep. Yeah. And, who's knocking? Something's knocking, dude. Oh, hey, guys, got to check out my website, xanatarpro.com. xanatarpro.com. Easy to remember. I'm going to have some paranormal activity on there. I'm going to have all martial art tips. If you have any other ideas I could put on that site, just let me know in the comments section or whatever, and or message me. I don't know. Just let me know. Email me. Actually, don't email me. I got to set that up. So I haven't done any of that. Kind of gotten lazy on that. I already have an email. I don't like using other emails. I really don't. Anyway, you really think I'm going to drink my piss, dude? Heck no! That is disgusting, man. Oh my gosh. That would be sick. Then I'll lose all my fans. Anyway. Peace out. I'm out. Let us go. Let us go! Let us go! Let us go! Okay. Anyway. Hope you all have a nice day. Have a great night. Take care. Love you. All right. Peace. Join the forums and discuss. I demand you to join the forums in the link that is in the description. And hit that bell. Subscribe. With a good vibe. Goodbye. All right. Peace.